Hello everyone, I'm Ken. I will introduce drawing to scale today. And we have an example, 3 feet 8 inch times 4 feet 3 inch. And this calculation and drawing will use a scale. 1 inch equals to 1 feet. Firstly, we need to calculate 3 feet 8 inch into feet. Since 1 feet is equal to 12 inch, we need to exchange 8 inch into 8 over 12 feet. So the calculation is 3 feet 8 inch equals to 3 and 8 over 12 inch. And 8 and 12 divided by 4. So the calculation is 3 and 2 over 3 inch. And then we need to multiply the scale 1 inch to the number. The calculation is 3 and 2 over 3 times 1, which is the same, 3 and 2 over 3. And then we need to draw the width 3 and 2 over 3 inch here. And lastly, for this part, we need to write down the actual width, which is 3 feet 8 inch here. And then we need to calculate another part, which is the length. First, we need to calculate 4 and 3 inch into feet. Since 1 feet is equal to 12 inch, we exchange 3 inch into 3 over 12 feet. So 4 feet 3 inch is equal to 4 and 3 over 12 inch. And 3 over 12 we can both divide by 3. So the answer is 4 and 1 over 4 inch. And then we multiply the scale 1 inch into the number, which is 4 and 1 over 4 times 1. And the calculation is 4 and 1 over 4, which is the same. And then we draw the length 4 and 1 over 4 inch into here, which is the length by ruler. And then lastly, we write down the actual length, 4 feet 3 inch here. And the final drawing is here. But lastly, we need to write down the scale, which is 1 inch equals to 1 feet. That's all of the introduction today. Hope you know how to drawing to scale. Thank you very much.